Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming you meet the prerequisites: account level, unlocks, and gear. Once confirmed, equip the optimized loadout and stash non-essential items. Make sure you have 3x healing and 2x buff consumables ready. This prevents mid-run interruptions. Next, choose a target zone that yields the long-term encounter points efficiently and set aside 30 to 45 minutes. Now begin the encounter immediately. Don't idle, because early momentum preserves resources and sets the pace for sustained point accumulation. You now execute the core loop. Follow the optimized route that prioritizes high-value nodes and then sweep lesser targets. Keep your cooldown rotation tight. Deploy major abilities during the 30 to 50% windows where they yield maximal point returns. Once done with each node, perform a quick status check on resource bars and party readiness. If you notice downtime creeping in, slow the pace slightly to avoid wipes. Conversely, capitalize on momentum with short aggressive bursts to compound your long-term encounter points. You finish by securing the final high-value nodes and banking accumulated points before exiting cleanly. This prevents loss from last-minute failures. Make sure to tally points per minute and note consumable usage. If performance drops or you hit frequent wipes, reset the route immediately, remove non-essential gear that causes penalties, or shorten the loop to a 15 to 20-minute run until reliability returns. One troubleshooting tip: if you see consistent lag or sync issues, restart the client and retest.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.